We'll guide you through how to link boards in Monday.com. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing Monday.com. Once your browser is ready, go to Monday.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. Click Go to My Account to open the sign-in page and access your workspace. Choose the login method you want to use. For this example, sign in with your email address. Enter your email address in the required field and verify that it is entered correctly before proceeding. Next, type your password into the password field associated with your account. After reviewing your login credentials and confirming that the information is correct, click Login to access your Monday.com account and continue to your workspace. Once you have successfully signed in, open the board that you want to use and make sure you have selected the correct board before continuing. Click the plus icon on the right side of the existing columns to display the available column types. Select Connect Boards to add a column that can link items from another board. Click Select Board to choose the board that you want to connect. Choose the board that you want to link and confirm that you have selected the correct board before continuing. Click Connect Board to establish the connection between the two boards. If you do not want to create a mirror column, click I'll do this later to continue without adding one. To link an item, click the Connected Board column to display the available items from the linked board. Choose the item that you want to display in the Connected Board column and verify that the correct item has been selected. You have now successfully linked another board and displayed its item in your main board using the Connect Boards column. This connection helps organize related information across multiple boards while keeping your workflow structured and easy to manage.